Hi again everyone, it's Charlotte at Stouffville Toyota, and for today's video I'm going to walk you around the all-new 2020 Highlander, and this is in the limited all-wheel drive package. This brand new generation of Highlanders have a gorgeous new exterior design that is lower and wider. The new design delivers aerodynamic efficiency for enhanced vehicle stability with powerful stance. Starting with the exterior of the vehicle, you're going to notice huge 20-inch aluminum alloy wheels, giving the 2020 Highlander an even edgier look. We also have chrome roof rails, power-adjustable color-keyed mirrors with the memory system, variable intermittent wipers, a windshield wiper de-icer rear window wiper as well, and a panoramic moonroof. The premium LED headlamps are where the automatic high beam features of Toyota's Safety Sense 2.0 will be seen. This feature is designed to detect ongoing and preceding vehicles' lights, and depending on the circumstances, the automatic high beams can switch between high and low for you without having to do anything. The limited model seats 8 people on leather seats with the rear third row seats, middle bench seats, and of course the driver and passenger seats. The 2020 Highlander Limited features the driver memory system, which makes getting in your car so much more convenient, as now you can save your mirrors and chair preferences. That way your mirrors and driver's seat will adjust automatically when you enter the SUV. The front seats are both heated and power adjustable, with the driver's seat having an 8-way power adjuster and the passenger has a 4-way power adjuster. The 3-spoke steering wheel is leather wrapped and heated, which of course is one of my favorite features in a car, as it keeps your hands warm in the cold winters, especially since leather gets really cold easily. Other convenience features that make the 2020 Highlander Limited so great is the smart key system with push-button start, the integrated garage door opener, keyless entry with trunk release, power windows with automatic up and down for all the windows, and power door locks, just to name a few. The 2020 Highlander is compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto over the 11-speaker JBL Audio Clarify audio system. Android Auto is a bit new for Toyota, but is a great feature as it allows more people to connect their phones. This 2020 Highlander Limited also has the compatible wireless smartphone charging system with the charging indicator light that works for all smartphones that have this wireless charging technology. An 8-inch touchscreen is where you will find your backup camera when in reverse, Sirius XM satellite radio, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, FM, AM, your navigation, traffic, weather, and of course, so much more. The 7-inch color multi-information display is where you will be alerted of weather conditions, lane departure, full speed range dynamic radar cruise control, and of course you're also going to see your kilometers, your fuel, and this is where warning lights will pop up should there ever be an issue with the vehicle. Before I end off this short video, I do want to end it off with some really cool infotainment features that the 2020 Highlander has added to the lineup. You will receive 1-year subscription to Toyota's Remote Connect, which allows you to start your vehicle, set a maximum speed limit and distance, unlock or lock doors, and more, all from your smartphone. You will also get a 1-year subscription for Destination Assist Connect that connects you to a live agent to help you locate places to go and things to do. The agent will send your route right to your navigation system so you can stay focused on what's important. 1-year subscription to Safety Connect, giving you access to the automatic collision notification, stolen vehicle locator, emergency assistance button, and enhanced roadside assistance. Last but not least, you will also receive a 10-year Service Connect subscription to keep your Highlander in peak condition. This subscription is going to give you a monthly vehicle health report. You will also receive notifications on your phone should a warning light appear on your dash, and the maintenance schedule, which you can use from your phone to see how many kilometers you have left until your next recommended maintenance interval. And that's all for this really quick walk-around showroom video on the all-new 2020 Highlander Limited all-wheel drive package model. If you have any questions I didn't answer, please leave them below and I will do my best to answer them. And if you have any recommendations for the next car we show, please let me know in the comments as well. Thank you everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed the showroom look for the 2020 Highlander Limited. Remember, we are located just 5 minutes north of Markham, Ontario, which is one intersection north of Stouffville Road and Highway 48. We are located at 1288 Millard Street in Stouffville, Ontario. Getting there starts here.